In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a bill to a client in Clio Manage. Let's start right from your Clio Manage dashboard. To begin the billing process, head to the left sidebar and click Billing. This is your central hub for all things invoicing, where you can see drafts, pending approvals, and sent bills. If you're managing a busy caseload, filters and the search bar here can help you quickly narrow down the exact invoice you're looking for. Next, open the invoice you want to send to the client. Simply click on the invoice entry to view its details. This opens a detailed page where you can confirm everything before it goes out, which is crucial for avoiding follow-up corrections. Before you send anything, take a careful moment to review the invoice details. Verify the client and the matter to make sure the bill is tied to the right case. Double-check the issue date and the due date so your payment timeline is clear. Confirm the bill total and take a quick glance at time entries, expenses, taxes, discounts, and any trust or credit applications to ensure nothing is missing or duplicated. This is your quality control step, and it's worth doing slowly and thoroughly. When everything looks correct, go to the top right corner and click More Actions. This is where Clio collects secondary options related to the invoice, including the tools you'll use to deliver it to your client. From that menu, choose the option to send or share the invoice with the client. Depending on your setup, you may see choices like sending by email or sharing via a secure link. Pick the method that aligns with your firm's standard practice and your client's preferences. Before you commit, confirm the recipient. Verify that the client's contact information is accurate and current. Make sure you've selected the correct contact record, especially if a matter has multiple related contacts. A quick check here helps prevent delivery delays or confusion later. Take one final look at the invoice preview to ensure formatting, totals, and due dates all display as expected. This last review is your chance to catch any small details that might have been overlooked. When you're ready, click Send to deliver the invoice to the client. You should see a confirmation in Clio, and the invoice's status will update to reflect that it's been sent. Your client will receive the bill with the details they need to pay promptly. That's it. You've successfully sent a bill to a client in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.